Hi everyone, Happy New Year! Bonne année! I hope you all had fantastic holidays. Well, now we have the whole new year ahead of us to practice this carol for next Christmas. Isn't it exciting? No? Aha, I understand. Only one song for this whole year. Not enough for you guys. Okay. Then how about Les Champs-Élysées for our next song? Good? Cool. Before we start, this video is the part 2 of this French Christmas carol, Petit Papa Noël, so if you haven't watched the part 1, the link is in the description part. Here I'll explain the pronunciation and the grammar. Wait, before that, please listen and repeat the lyrics and let's sing together. When Florent's song is finished, you'll hear his pronunciation of important words. By the way, do you still remember our little French Santa? Hope your answer is yes. This carol, Petit Papa Noël, is mainly for children because normally people say Le Père Noël, Father Christmas. In addition, in this part, it's a little child who asks directly of the Santa Claus to make sure to bring some toys for him or her. Here is the direct translation. Little Papa Christmas, when you will descend from the sky with toys by thousands, don't forget my little shoe. Now please listen once and after that, repeat slowly. Petit Papa Noël, quand tu descendras du ciel avec des jouets par milliers, n'oublie pas mon petit soulier. Petit Papa Noël, quand tu descendras du ciel avec des jouets par milliers, n'oublie pas mon petit soulier. Now listen to Florent and try to imitate his pronunciation. After that, let's check out some important words.
Petit Papa Noël, quand tu descendras du ciel avec des jouets par milliers, n'oublie pas mon petit soulier. Petit Papa Noël, le petit prince. Prince, propre. Prêt, train. Crème, croire. Noël, le focus, la poste. Maïs, nez. L'œil, les yeux. L'œuf, les œufs. L'œnologie. Camp, quartier. Du, jouer, oui, oubli, soulier, cuisine, oui, un homme grand, un grand homme, de la.
This time, I'll use English alphabet names for explanation because we need the sounds like E or U for French names. French Q is Q, for example. In general, the little P sounds like in this song, Petit or Papa, but with R, it sounds like in English, like Prince, propre. The same for T and C, très, train, and crème, croire. And for the word Noël, as I've already mentioned before, like in the words le focus and la poste, French O sounds usually O. And the tréma, the 2 points, means that the 2 letters will be pronounced separately. Without tréma, it's A, sounds like l'œil, love. It has a totally different sound. We'll talk more about this next time. The letter U is always silent after Q, like for quartier and quartier. Yes, they have exactly the same sounds. Usually the last consonants are silent, like gong and petit. For du and du, we need this U sound. Lips are for U sound, round, but have to pronounce E inside your mouth. For the sound U, this one is a semi-vowel, so it always requires another vowel, like we and shue. But in general, if you see the letters O and U together, it sounds almost always U, like oubli and suli. Next time we have more confusing sounds like dessus and dessous, but we'll practice more, especially the 5 vowels, so don't worry. The adjective petit comes in front of nouns, whereas the antonym grand, which means big or great, can come before or after, depending on the meanings. Un homme grand, un grand homme. And as I've mentioned, adults usually call Santa Claus Père Noël. The word du means of the, from the, and it comes with masculine nouns like the sky, le ciel. But be careful. With feminine words like the sea, la mer, we have to keep the form of de la. By the way, rumor has it that Santa will arrive from the sea this year. We'll see. With number 4, we can feel the importance of songs. To make a negative sentence, we need ne pas, but usually when we speak, we don't use ne. It's the word pas which is important. With songs, we can memorize this naturally without too much effort. Of course, when it comes to writing, it's safer to keep both until you are 100% sure if you can skip this ne in that particular situation. And I've never heard this word soulier during the past 10 years. It's normally des chaussures for shoes. So I asked Florent why, and his answer was that this word is not really common anymore, but maybe his grandparents would use that. And for Christmas, French people use Christmas stockings for decoration, not really shoes. Well, this is it for today. Next time we'll sing a short part of the song Les Champs-Élysées and practice more for the 5 vowels. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're curious about all the words that Florent pronounced, please leave comments. I'll post the list. You can try to write down what you hear as many times as possible before you check it out. Thank you for watching and see you soon. À bientôt!